Sweat dripping while driving your F150? Let's cool things down. Hey there, Ford F150 owners. If your air conditioner is giving you the cold shoulder, or rather, the hot one, we've got you covered. Here are the top reasons your AC might not be working. First, check the refrigerant level. Low refrigerant is a common culprit. No refrigerant, no cool air. Simple as that. Next, take a look at the AC compressor. This little guy is the heart of your AC system. If it's not engaging, your air might stay warm. A faulty compressor clutch or electrical issue could be the problem. Third, inspect the condenser. It's located at the front of the car and can get clogged with debris. A blocked condenser means no cool air for you. Another possible issue is the AC blower motor. If the motor isn't pushing air through the vents, it doesn't matter how cold it is. No airflow equals no relief from the heat. Lastly, don't overlook the cabin air filter. A dirty filter can restrict airflow and reduce cooling efficiency. Sometimes a simple filter change can make all the difference. And there you have it. 5 quick checks to get your Ford F150's AC back in business. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your ride cool. If these tips don't solve your problem, it might be time to visit a professional. Stay cool out there, F150 drivers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you found this helpful. See you next time.